What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some cheapo but delicioso biscuits and gravy. So, let's get up and say, good morning to you. Yeah. That's right, baby. Biscuits and gravy. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, man, I don't know how I feel about this. I see a lot of cans over there, man. Well, you need to catch a positive attitude like old Tony Robbins, because this is cheap and it's easy and it's going to be delicioso. So, sir, we're going to show you how it's done this morning, and you'll be able to get you a big old plate and go in there in your PJs and watch Goosebumps. Now, first thing that you got to do, biscuits and gravy, you need to get you some biscuits, boy. And today, I just got these old Great Value butter biscuits. Now, you're going to go ahead and open that can, sir. And that's the thing about it, man. Every time I try to peel one of these cans open, it scares the hell out of me, man. It always pops and surprises me, man. It scares me worse than that old boy from Scream. So, you're going to do it real gently and real carefully, and try not to scare the shit out of yourself. And once you get that thing peeled, you go ahead and take a knife or hit the edge on the counter and pop that thing open. If it didn't pop open, it'll surprise the hell out of you like it usually does to me. Now, you're going to take you a oven safe deal, put some foil down on it, spray a little butter or some kind of non-stick spray, maybe some of that Pam on there, and put a little bit of that shit on there, and then we're going to take our biscuits and we're going to line them out flat. Now, make sure that before you bust that old can, you read the directions on the back there, Einstein, because it's going to tell you all about how to cook them biscuits, whichever kind you got. Me, these are pretty simple, so we're going to pop them in there. You wait about the time that it says on the back. I think it's 15-20 minutes or so. I don't know, I didn't read it yet. And once you open that up and you got your biscuits and they're all golden brown and flaky and they look so good, then we can go ahead and start on our gravy. And that's the thing about it. You say to yourself like, oh, I see that can of gravy. What the hell is up with that? Well, you know, you could go old school. You could stand over that stove and cook that gravy, grandma. But you know me, buddy. I ain't got time for that shit. You can get this shit down there at the store, man. This is the Libby's Country Sausage Gravy. Already got the sausage in there. Already got the gravy in there. It's good stuff, buddy. And, you know, you can wake your significant other up and you can roll over and say, hey, baby, you want some sausage this morning? It's the best around. So go ahead and take your gravy and pour that down in a bowl. Now, stir it around just a little bit. And, you know, as we always do, what we going to do, baby, salt and pepper, just for flavor, good stuff, baby. We're going to put that down in there. You know, that's our little trick, daddy. So, go ahead and put that down in there, stir it around, and put it in the old microwave and nuke it for as long as it says on the back of the can, maybe 2-3 minutes or so. So, now we're ready to assemble that damn thing, and this is where my Frenchy schmatchy ass comes in. I like to do little things extra, as you know that I do. You was waiting for it because you're like, you know, Black Owl, I like to do something crazy. So, first thing that I'm going to do is bust open my biscuits. I'm going to use 2 that'll give me 4, and it looks beautiful. So, get them spread out, and then I'm going to add me just a touch of this here maple syrup, you know. It'll kind of like that old boy Banjo-Kazooie said, so get your maple syrup on there, just not a whole river of it, but this ain't no pancake pot. This is the old biscuits and gravy. We just kind of hiding some little sweet under there. So put that on there. Now, of course, we're going to add our gravy. Hey, yay. So put that gravy on there. I like to put mine on heavy duty, buddy, because I'm a big boy. Now, get that on there today. I also went ahead and snagged some real bacon pieces. There again, if you want to, you can go ahead and get some real bacon, cook it up there, chefy, but you know me, I got time to do shit, so this is what I did. And you're going to take you just a hint of those and sprinkle them around on top, baby. And you know what? If that ain't a big old country breakfast, I don't know what is, boy. I don't know what is. So, we're going to stand back and we're going to have a beautiful sight. And then we're going to have a big old delicious breakfast bite of these easy, peasy, delicious biscuits and gravy tonight, boy. Wow, wow, wow. All right, baby, the time has come. The biscuits and gravy are done, and I'm having that first bite for Big Daddy over here. So, and I'm excited. excited about it, let me tell you. Come here, little buddy. It's breakfast time. Man, that is spot on delicious, boy. That's a big old country breakfast. Makes me feel like I want to go out and ride a tractor or some shit, man. That is good. Good. So, I want to thank all of you good folks for joining me on another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a little more brekkie over here, so I'll see you next time.